Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to add cookies alert in Blogger. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. First of all, open blogger.com in your web browser. Also, open termsfeed.com in the next tab. Scroll down and see a section of the GDPR directive. Tagged JS scripts are loaded only after the user clicks I agree. Click on Customize your cookie consent. Enter your website name and pick a style for your notice banner as the headline. Scroll down and choose a color palette to match your website as dark or light as per your choice. Scroll down and click on Yes, I do have a privacy policy. Scroll down again and click on Copy your cookie consent. Here are different options like choose your compliance type and select the second option, which is Customize your cookie consent. Scroll up and copy this large link given here. Now go to blogger.com and select the theme. Click on the arrow with Customize and tap on Edit HTML. Scroll down to the end and paste the link above the body section. Click on Save at the top right corner. It has been processed and updated successfully. Click on the Preview theme and your cookies alert will be displayed. Now go back to the Blogger tab. Click View Blog and your cookies consent has been shown. That's how you can add cookies alerts in Blogger. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.